Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. Today we're finally going to do it. We're finally going to unbox my December Gucci purchases. It's May. I've been teasing you with this for 5 months now, I think. 5 months ever since I bought these things for myself on our last minute shopping trip into Harrods, into London, after we moved house a couple of days before Christmas last year. They have been sitting, waiting to be unboxed since then. There are things that have happened, other things came up. I knew they just were there. They were just there and they were waiting. And I mean, I am a queen of delayed gratification. The line keeps saying, maybe you didn't need them, then you shouldn't have bought them. But I disagree. I just think time has been taken. They will be savoured. I am wearing my Gucci, can you see my Gucci t-shirt for this special occasion. And I've got 2 things to unbox. 2, and I will unbox them in the order I purchased them in. Yes, the Lion and I took a trip to Harrods after we moved into our new home in December, which you will have seen all through Vlogmas, the chaos that was. And that is why my bags are the Christmas bags, Christmas wrapping. And I've got the blue and silver ribbon on the boxes, but the boxes stay the same. I still really like these green boxes. I know they're quite controversial. I've got my receipt there, which I'm just going to pop up on the side so I can refer back to it in a minute. Because it's been 5 months, I can't remember what I paid for these. So let's get into the first one. Slide that old ribbon. Oh, I have not opened these since we've been home. They've literally just been sat in the bags. It's I have felt guilty. I have felt guilty about it. Open this on the side. And we have a dust bag. Any ideas yet? If you've got an idea, pause the video, pop down in the comment section. Don't pause the video first. Pop down into the comment section. Give me an idea. Give me your best guess of what item number 1 is. And then come back and see if you're right. I've probably given it away. This is a nice size box and I like the magnetic aspect of it. So it's in its own little dust bag. What can it be? It's not a bag. It is, I really hope everything's okay still in here. It's a belt. For a very long time, the Lion has been looking me up and down when I've had my outfit of the day and I'm looking cute and everything. He's been looking me up and down and going, you need a good belt. You need a designer belt. And Gucci do great sizes. Now, I don't actually know if this is from the men's or the women's collection. To be honest, I don't really care, but it has got the GG, it's a leather belt. It's got the GG Supreme stamped into it, debossed into it, going all the way around. So it's a nice little subtle nod, and then the buckle is one of those ones where you pop the pin through rather than having a buckle and pushing it through and doing all the buckle stuff. So I liked that, and it is the, I'm going to peel off the plastic. It's been on here for 5 months. Peel off the plastic. There we go. It is a sort of champagne gold colour. Yes, champagne gold. I've put a fingerprint on it already. That's going to annoy me. So Gucci do really good lengths in their sizing. This is 110 centimetres. I wanted something that was chunky, that would, you know, go through the belt loops of my jeans. That's what I intend to wear this with. But I also wanted the option of wearing it. I'm wearing high-waisted jeans at the moment, which you can't see, but I'll include some mod shots. Fingers crossed I haven't gained enough weight for this to not fit anymore. But the idea was that I can wear this up high on my high-waisted jeans around my tummy, and then also lower with my more sort of baggy mid-rise jeans. That was my plan, and maybe even I would wear it with a dress, to cinch in a dress, but I don't frequently do that, and I may not start doing that. But that's my first thing, this beautiful Gucci belt with the GG Supreme embossed into it, and this interlocking G buckle, and this makes me think of the Batman logo, and I really like that. That tickles me. It really, really does tickle me. For this leather Gucci embossed belt, I paid 425 Great British pounds. I will have it linked down below if I can still find it, if they're still doing this particular style. And if you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny. I'm glad you found me. I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Again with the matte lipstick. What am I doing? Item number 2, please, is in a considerably larger bag and in a considerably larger box. Here's the box. It is a pretty big box. Any ideas of what item number 2 is, please? Again, get down in the comments, give it your best guess, then come back to the video and see if you were right. Again, I've not been in here. I have not looked at anything. I've not checked anything. Wow, they've done this up really, really well. Let's see if I can just slide it off. That bow is not coming undone. I'm feeling very colourful today. Very excited. Here we go, here we go. Oh, looky here. We've got dust bags, 2 dust bags. We've got some laces. And we've got some care cards and bits and pieces. Let's pop all that on the floor. And so if we go in, I really like this wrapping paper as well. Let's have a look. I got me some sneakers. Some Gucci sneakers. They look really big there, don't they? Let's put them a bit closer to my head. Hello, Gucci. Yes, I'll take the call. I bought myself some Gucci sneakers. Okay, they're blowing out a little bit on camera, but I have wanted these Gucci sneakers ever since I saw Cassie $2 sign unboxing them sometime last year when they were released. I wouldn't have known about them if Cassie hadn't showed them. I love the style of these. I love that they've got this kind of platform-esque sole to them. It's quite chunky. It says Gucci on the back. You've got the double G here. Let's give you a bit of shadow to work with. A double G there. They are completely white or kind of shades of white. So there's no colour on them, and I don't have any sneakers that were pure white. I've got sneakers that have got rainbows on them, I've got sneakers that got gold embroidery on them, and I've got sneakers with sort of red and blue and all sorts of bits and pieces on them. But I didn't have a pair of plain white sneakers, and these are they. These are absolutely they. You've got the GG Supreme. Oh, I'm so happy to see you. I wasn't going to wear these in winter with the rain anyway because I'd have been a little bit too panicky about it. On the sole we've got the GG there, so I'm going to leave some fun footprints, and Gucci there. I'll probably tentatively wear these on the beach, but I might try and avoid that for as long as possible because I'd like to keep them box fresh. And they've got this kind of, this makes me think of tennis. That I love that kind of, that little perforation there. So this size is my usual size 38. I was really worried when I tried these on in store. I went to the Shoe Heaven department. Was it on floor 1 on the other side from, was it on the same floor from Ready to Wear? I always forget. We got very lost that day. We got lost trying to find Fendi, and I am absolutely shocked and horrified because I should know where Fendi Ready to Wear is at all times. There's also like a little Gucci bit there on the tongue. Just loads of gorgeous Gucci double G details. Gucci Gwenny, we shall call these. Yeah, so I tried these on. I was a little bit nervous because, as you know, I've got wide trotters. I've got short little stumpy trotters, but they are wide, and that mostly means that, like, designer shoes and stuff, they're completely out of my reach. But these are my usual size 38. I did not need to go up a size. They fitted. I mean, they look like they should be good for wide feet, and they are good for wide feet, at least my wide trotters. So this is my third pair of luxury shoes. I've got my 2 pairs of Fendi Colibris, and they are the sort of mid-heel size, and they're great, they're comfy. But I also thought, been having like a moment about spending the money, the big bucks, on the stuff that you're going to wear all the time, and I wear sneakers most of the time. So why didn't I have luxury sneakers? Well, I have now. I am so happy. I am so happy I've got these. I'm so happy that I got these in the sort of the plainer colours, although they do all sorts of variations of this style, seasonal colours. And if they wear and feel as comfortable as they did as when I was running around the store in them, and I did run around, I ran around like a 5-year-old in the store in these, and if they feel as comfortable after wearing them for a longer period of time, then I will be going back and I'll be getting more of these, because I just love this style. It's a cool style. I love it. I think it's fresh and casual and just gorgeous. And how much were they? These were £645. But for something I'm going to wear every day, I'm quite happy to pay that, as long as they hold up. So happy to see my goodies again. I've missed you. I'm glad that you haven't, you know, tarnished or degraded or anything while you were languishing in your shopping bags and boxes. Let me know what you think of my goodies. Let me know also what you think of waiting 5 months to unbox something. Are you in or are you out? Are you too impatient? Do you need to get in there? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love. You know the drill. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.